The TOZO T6 Wireless Earbuds deliver powerful stereo sound with deep bass and clear audio. With fast Bluetooth connectivity, IPX8 waterproof protection, wireless charging, and long battery life, they're perfect for everyday listening. What's in the box? In the box, you find the TOZO T6 Wireless Earbuds. Charging case, extra ear tips, charging cable, and user manual. Product overview. How to wear. Ensure the earbud tip is facing downwards. Then place the earbuds into your ear. Rotate the earbuds back to the auricle side to fit snugly. How to charge. Gently insert both earbuds into the case until they snap into place. Ensure the charging contacts align properly inside the case. The earbuds will start charging automatically as long as the case has power. Use the USB-C cable to connect the case to a power source. Plug one end into the case and the other into a USB power adapter or port. Charging through a cable is fast and reliable, especially when the case is empty. Place the case on a key-compatible wireless charging pad. Make sure the indicator light turns on to confirm wireless charging has started. This is a convenient method if you prefer a cable-free setup. How to pair. Download the TOZO app from the Google Play Store or Apple App Store. It allows you to manage settings, customize controls, adjust EQ, and update firmware. Using the app enhances your experience and gives you greater control over your TOZO earbuds. Take the earbuds out of the charging case and they'll quickly show alternating red and blue LEDs, meaning they're in pairing mode. If the lights don't appear, press both touch controls to turn them on, and after a moment, the red and blue blinking LEDs will indicate they're ready to connect to your device. The TOZO app works on both Android and iPhone. Download it from the Play Store or App Store, then pair your earbuds via Bluetooth. Register your email, country, and date of birth. Tap the plus icon and select the T6 to connect. The dashboard shows the left and right earbuds battery, while the case battery is checked via the 4 LED indicators. You can adjust the equalizer with preset modes and customize the touch controls for a fully personalized experience. Smart features? The TOZO T6 delivers rich, immersive stereo sound with clear highs and deep, punchy bass. Every song, call, or podcast comes to life with detailed and balanced audio for a full listening experience. These earbuds offer up to 6 hours of playtime on a single charge, with the case providing an additional 44 hours. That's a total of up to 50 hours of uninterrupted listening for music, calls, and podcasts. They support wireless charging, letting you power up the case effortlessly without cables. Simply place the case on a compatible charging pad for convenient and fast charging anytime. With an IPX8 waterproof rating, they can handle sweat, rain, and splashes with ease. Perfect for workouts, outdoor activities, or daily use without worrying about water damage. They feature fast and stable Bluetooth connectivity for quick pairing with your devices. This ensures a smooth, uninterrupted connection for music, calls, and streaming anywhere. Specifications. Safety precautions. Want to grab the TOZO T6 Wireless Earbuds from Amazon? Just tap on the link in the description below. That's it for today's video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and check the link below to grab your TOZO T6 Wireless Earbuds. See you at the next one.